GTB Bank, but I'm going to another bank. I'm going to First Bank. From First Bank, I'll also be going to Zenith Bank. So anyways, I know that you guys are not hearing me. Just stay hooked in this vlog. I'll see you guys later, okay? So let me cross this road first. I'm home. See, I'm going to remove my wristwatch safe. Oh, anyways, I'm home. Let me show you guys what I got, okay? I bought one fine thing. Just wait. Let me show you guys. This is the fine thing I bought, guys. See, I wanted to have this egg rack, and finally I got it today, okay? Yeah, 30 eggs can go into this. This was the one I was using before. I was using this one before. This one. This can only contains 15 eggs. So thank God I have this one now. And the good part of this one is that it has its own cover, okay? So yeah, according to what they said though, according to what one woman is saying in the car that I bought, she said even if she's traveled, she can arrange her eggs here that it will not break, it will not scatter. I don't know how true is that. Let me know in the comment section if you've been using this or if you have this and you've tried putting your eggs and it will not scatter. Anyways, me, I will not even be traveling with this, okay? So this one will just be in the house. I'll just look for this place and set it up like this, okay? Yeah, it's been a lot in, oh god, the most frustrating and annoying bank ever is GTB. I'm sorry to say, if you're a GTB bank worker, stuff like that, every time my experience with GTB is crazy. When I mean crazy, very crazy. Like, why would customers be standing before you, like enough customers, and you're just acting busy when you're not busy? Like, this is not my first time, this is not my second time. See, I've already made up my mind. The next time I'll be going to GTB, trust me, I want to shut down that account. I want to close down that account totally. Let me know that I don't have any accounts with GTB Bank, because I don't like a situation whereby anytime you're putting your money there, it's stressful. Like, going there to do like a counter transfer is stressful. Doing a normal app transfer is stressful. Now going to their customer service and doing what you're supposed to do, never just brought light, is also stressful. So it's really getting me frustrating, and I don't want anything that will be frustrating me. So I'll just shut down my bank with GTB. The next time I'm going there, I've already said it, probably next week if I'm going to do that, I'll just be working with my First Bank, Access Bank, and then my First Bank, Access Bank, and then Zenith Bank. There is no day I go to Zenith Bank to go and do transfer that everything is not like quick like this. I went to First Bank as well. Even if I'm doing dollar or any transfer, everything is just going to be okay. But when you go to GTB, God. Anyways, let me know in the comment section which particular bank is giving you this kind of headache. Mine is GTB. I can't lie, GTB. Another one that is giving me small headache is Access, but I don't do so many things with Access, so I don't even have their time. I just do small transactions like miscellaneous money there. So, but you see, if I want to rep, I'll rep for Zenith Bank, and then I'll rep First Bank. So let me know the bank you're repping in the comment section. I'll see you guys later. Let me go and check my phone first. Jesus Christ. So I need to go and charge. I need to plug my power bank as well. See the way my face is looking. See my hair. I'm tired of this. I'm going to lose it. For me to pray and then break my fast. This is past 4 now. Yeah, let me show you guys the time. This is it. This is past 4, and this is going to be like my highest fasting during these 21 days. So let me go and pray, and then yeah. So guys, because it's like this song is affecting me. So we're going to be reading Psalm 100. Yeah. So this is not the only Bible verse I'll be reading, but I'll be reading this with you guys. Then the other one I'll be doing it like behind the camera. So Psalm 100 says, serve the Lord with gladness. Come before his presence with singing. Know ye that the Lord, he is God. It is he that had made us, and not we ourselves. Every tongue confess that Jesus Christ is the Lord. There is none like you. I'm done praying, so I just want to go and warm up my food, then drink water before I start eating. Okay, so let me just go and do that, and then I'll get back to you guys in this vlog. Yeah, I'll be eating. So I'll be eating this, which is my leftover rice from yesterday. I'm done with my food, and the next thing I should be thinking of right now is preparing dinner. Yeah, I need to go and get one or two from outside and come back and then prepare dinner. It's not easy. In life is whenever there's an opportunity and I tend to lose the opportunity, it will pain me for my heart. It pains me. I try as much as possible to like grab every opportunity I get, and one of the opportunity I want to utilize today is the fact that there's light. And since there's light, I'll make sure that I'll live stream today. Probably I might live stream till tomorrow morning. Yes, when I mean live stream, I mean TikTok live stream. And for some persons watching my videos, especially the ones I did on Poppo, they keep asking, how do I do this? How do I did a lot of explanation in that video, but I'm still surprised that some persons are still confused, of which is normal. So the only thing I would advise you now is to follow my second channel, which is Sonia Onoja, so that you can actually get all the details. Like I did different type of videos about Poppo, like every breakdown analysis about Poppo that you need are literally on that channel. I'll just put it on the screen here so that you guys will be seeing that channel and also be following. It's also in the description box. You can just click on the link in the description box on Sonia Onoja's channel and then connect to like learn different things you want to learn. See, in 2024, if there's any app that I can tell you that, yeah, you're going to live stream and then make something out of it, my best app is TikTok, and then the second app is that Poppo, which I'm always telling you guys. So don't be an opportunity waster, okay? Be my kind of person that whenever opportunity comes, you always grab it and utilize every opportunity, every moment. See, even if you're making just $1, make sure you're grabbing that opportunity, okay? And which also brings me to this your YouTube as a whole. Yeah, YouTube might not be paying we the small content creators or the new content creators as it's supposed to, but I believe everybody starts from somewhere. Everybody is getting somewhere. Most people that even started never knew that they are going to get to the amount of subscribers that they got to as at this point of their life. I'm I'm among those kind of persons. I never knew I'll get 12,000 subscribers. Talk more of getting over 12,000 subscribers by this point of my life, and monetizing 2 channel. It's a whole lot, but because of my consistency and every other stuff, I was able to achieve it. So if you're that kind of person that you're seeing this YouTube opportunity and you don't want to grab it, grab it. Push out your content. Anyhow the content is, small, big, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 1 hour. Just keep uploading. You don't know the one that will actually pick up. I didn't even know that one of the video I did will actually pick up, which is one I did about my father-in-law eating my marriage cake and then he died. I didn't know that that video actually picked up, but that video gave me 2.1k so when I'm filming this video, and it gave me quite good revenue, and it's something to actually be grateful for. That is to say, any opportunity you see, grab it. Any video ideas that just comes to your head, grab it. Grab it with your vouchers, grab it with your food, like grab it with everything you want to grab it, okay? So anyways, let me not be wrapping out my mouth too much. I'm going to be ending this vlog here because I want to start making dinner, and before I'll make that dinner, I need to go to the market to get fresh okra. I want to make okra soup. Yeah, I'm tired of egusi because my husband love egusi, but this time around we're changing mix. I want to make okra soup, so I want to go to the market and get just fresh okra. I have every other stuff that I need in the house already. And imagine, see this leaf disgracing himself. And yeah, so just take my advice. That's just basically what I would just have to tell you. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment. The last video, don't forget to share. And yeah, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So for now, bye. See the way I'm sweating, and we are in Nigerian winter. Bye guys.